Hello everyone, wish you all to happy Makar Sankranti. Today we will continue the same chapter, chapter number 3, a present for grandfather. As you know already that we haven't completed the whole chapter. Yes or no? So can anybody tell me how far we are? Yeah, we are in page number 26. So, dear students, please take out your book and get the page number 26. But before going to study and understanding, let's take a short revision that what are the things you have learned up to now. So, in this chapter, we are mm, we are going to know we are learning that about a grandfather and grandson, how they take care of each other. Yes or no? So that in a small village lived a grandfather, grandson and many villagers, and that is far from mountains, and it was very peaceful. Okay, so that villagers uh, every day they woke up um, by getting a powerful voice anchoring, and it was coming from Moscow. And who was giving it that voice anchoring? Na, a one of grandfather, and he was very diligent person. Yes or no? Good. So one day, one morning, one happened from the Moscow. A different voice came. So gram that gaonwasiyo or that villagers, they were thinking that why the different voice came, but that grandfather grandson, he was Bakri. He was too worried about his grandfather, that what happened with my grandfather, why the voice has come in different. Okay, so he was thinking about his grandfather, and he went to Moscow, that what happened with my grandfather. So one of his neighbors, he told to Bakri that your grandfather had a bad cold, so he will come to Moscow mm, after few days. Okay, s- that's why that Bakri was thinking to how could he, means how could I make him happy, because he is ill. Yes or no? He had that bad cold, and after few days he will come to Moscow. So in this time he means Bakri wanted to make his grandfather happy. So he thought about the mankage. Mankage means a type of nuts, which one the grandfather likes too much. With the cells, that mankage cells, grandfather used to make finger rings, and he was selling um, those finger rings to others by 50 rupees. Okay, so and he was very famous of this work. That's why Bakri thought that I will give the nuts to my grandfather, so um, uh, he will become very happy. For that, Bakri went to the that nuts ground where the nuts growing up. And last night, because of last night's strong wind, all the nuts were fallen down on the ground. So it was help to Bakri to collecting all the nuts. While collecting nuts, suddenly Bakri got some uh, sound from the others boys. So Bakri thought that if they see me with nuts, they will catch me, and they will not allow me to collect all the nuts. That's why Bakri was hiding in the bushes. After that, what happened? The boys, when the boys came to the nuts ground, they saw that ground was empty. Nothing nuts left over there. So they were shouting that what happened with the nuts? Who came here early, early? And he collected all the nuts. So now what we will do? What we will get here? And those things were means telling those boys. Now what happened, you can see here that what a bad luck, said another boy. Who could have taken all the nuts? These all the things they were discussing. Okay, so bakery, all the boys cried out together. Suddenly they were shouting that bakery collected all the nuts. So, all of them, they were telling. They knew that bakery wake up early in the morning to see his grandfather at the Moscow. Though that things they knew already. So look, his footprints are still on the ground, and they saw his that bakery's footprints on the ground. That's why they knew, and they confirmed that back it was the work of bakery. If we hurry, we can catch him and take all the nuts away, said one of them. Hearing this, bakery started to say. अब फिर उनके उससे बाद क्या हुआ, एक बॉयज ने बोला चलो हम जल्दी चलते हैं तो वी कैन कैच ही, मीन्स हम बेकरी को पकड़ सकते हैं और बेकरी से हम सारे नट्स ले सकते हैं, छीन सकते हैं। तो जब ये बेकरी ने सुना तो बेकरी को क्या हुआ, सेक करने लगा, मीन्स वो थोड़ा सा कांपने लगा। बट द ओल्डेस्ट बॉय इन द ग्रुप स्टॉप देम। फिर उस ग्रुप में जो सबसे ओल्डेस्ट बॉय थे, एजेड बॉय थे, वो उन लोगों ने स्टॉप किया। और इट वुड नॉट बी फेयर टू टेक द नट्स अवे फ्रॉम बेकरी, ही सेड। फिर उन्होंने क्या बोला कि दिस इज नॉट फेयर, ये अनफेयर है, ये अच्छे नहीं है, ये बहुत ही गलत काम है उनसे नट्स छीन लेने के लिए। ओके, सो फिर क्या हुआ, then, after all, did not he get up early in the morning to get here? If we want the mangoes, then we better get up early too. Let's go. फिर वो बॉय ने बोला कि बेकरी ने वेकअप किया था अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, दैट्स वाई ही गेट ऑल द nuts. If we also get up early in the morning and come here to collect the nuts, so we will also get the nuts in next day. So बोला चलो let's go. The other boys were embraced. फिर ये बात सुन के वो अदर्स जो बॉयज थे वो क्या हो गया, embraced means ashamed about something, means वो थोड़ा सा शर्म उनको आने लगा, थोड़ा सा। ओके, सो दे न्यू दैट ही वॉज राइट। फिर वो जो ओल्डेस्ट बॉय ने कहा, उनको सभी ने अप्रूवल दिया, उनको राइट बोला कि हाँ यू आर राइट, ये फेयर नहीं है, ये अनफेयर है। सो दे डिसाइडेड वेक अप एट द सनराइज एंड ट्राई अगेन द नेक्स्ट डे। दे स्टार्टेड टू वॉक बैक। फिर वो लोगों ने ये सोच के वो घर बैक जाने के लिए स्टार्टेड किया। फ्रॉम हिज हाइडिंग प्लेस इन द बुशेस, बेकरी लुक्ड एट द बॉयज थॉटफुली। फिर वो झाड़ियों से सुन के वो बॉयज ने जो थिंकिंग किया, ये बेकरी ने सब सुना। ओके, अब क्या हुआ, यू कैन सी ही नीडेड द मैंकेज नट्स फॉर हिज ग्रैंडफादर, फॉर हिज सॉरी but he could not bear to see the sad looks on his friend's face. He stopped up, gave a loud yell, and went running towards them. बेकरी को ये जो मैंकेज थे ग्रैंडफादर्स के लिए चाहिए थे, बट बेकरी को ये उनके फ्रेंड्स के फेसेस नट्स ना मिलने के कारण उनके फ्रेंड्स को जो सैड फेसेस लगे हैं, ये वो बेकरी को अच्छा नहीं लगा। इसलिए क्या किया, वो दौड़ के उन टूवर्ड्स मीन्स वो दोस्तों लोगों के पास में दौड़ के चले गए। अब क्या हुआ देखो, आई एम सॉरी आई टूक ऑल द नट्स एंड बेकरी, आई वॉज गोइंग टू टेक देम टू माई ग्रैंड फादर बिकॉज ही इज इल, बट ही विल बी हैप्पी विथ जस्ट माई शेयर। ही ओल्ड held out the package to the boys. Here, take a part of बेकरी सेड टू द बॉयज दैट आई एम सॉरी, मैंने सब नट्स को कलेक्ट किया बिकॉज ऑफ माई ग्रैंड फादर बिकॉज ही इज इल, बट ही विल बी मोर हैप्पियर इफ ही नोज दैट आई शेयर माई नट्स विथ माई फ्रेंड्स। फिर you can take a short part of them. The oldest boy took the nuts and smiled. Do you know what I am going to do with my share? फिर oldest boy ने उनके जो parts शेयर का पार्ट थे वो पार्ट्स को लिया और फिर स्माइल किया एंड बताया कि अब तुमको पता है अब मैं क्या करूँगी मेरे शेयरिंग से, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव इट टू योर ग्रैंड फादर, देन ही विल गेट वेल एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग सून। फिर and we need him to wake us up early in the morning। फिर उन्होंने बताया कि जो मेरे शेयर का पार्ट है वो भी मैं आपके तुम्हारे ग्रैंडफादर को दूंगी और जब मैं ये पार्ट में दूंगी तो वो बहुत अच्छे से बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाएंगे बिकॉज वी नीड हिम, हमको उनको ज़रूरत है क्योंकि ये हम जो एवरीडे वो हमको वेकअप कराते हैं मॉर्निंग बेल दे के, मॉर्निंग प्रेयर के लिए हमको एक वॉइस एंकरिंग देते हैं, वो हमारी बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं वो एंकरिंग लेने के लिए। दैट्स वाई वी नीड हिम एज अर्ली एज possible। Me too, all the boys chorused, and so it was decided. The boys put their arms around each other's shoulders and walked down the hill carrying their present for grandfather। फिर क्या बोला, सभी बच्चे ने बोला कि हाँ ये से ठीक है, ये ठीक है क्योंकि उनको मीन्स हमको उनको ज़रूरत है। ओके, वी नीड योर ग्रैंडफादर and his work also। So all the boys feel chorused and they put their hands on the arms। You can, dear students, you can see this image, they put their hands with each other, okay, and they went to a present to the for grandfather। फिर एक प्रेजेंट को लेके, एक भेंट लेके उन लोगों ने ग्रैंडफादर के पास गए। वो कौन सा भेंट था ना, मैंकेज का भेंट। ओके, सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट होल द चैप्टर। यू रीड इट once again and understand more about it, and if you get any problem so you can call me personally। Thank you very much, have a good day।